you have to say the wish. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಂತ. Yes, you also have to tell the same thing. If you meet anyone, what you have to do? You have to do first namaskar, or you have to say hello, hi, how are you? That is what you ask now, the same kind. Okay? Yes, I wish you today you have a very great day. Okay? Yes. Before starting our class, what we are learning, children? Some good values, some good habits, or some good thoughts, good ideas. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಗುಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಯೋಚನೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು put a little light on which topic? Attend your classes regularly. Attend your classes or lessons regularly. Don't get to absent. Andre every day you have to attend your classes regularly. Why you have to attend your classes regularly, or why you have to watch your online class regularly? Can anyone tell to me? Yes, because every day we will learn a new topic, correct? No, we will not learn the same topic every day. Na? Every day we will not learn the ABCD, every day we will not learn the vowels, every day we will not learn the short vowels, like that. Every day we are learning a new things. Always they will join one to one, correct, right? Yes. For example, if we take a language, in the English language, first what we learn only the alphabets. After that we will bifurcate the alphabet to consonants and vowels. From that we learned only the vowels which make a sound, CVC sound. Then we came to short vowels. After that we came to sight words. After that we came to long vowels. Now we are learning the blends, like that. All will be in sequence. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನೀವು ABCD ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. For example, if you didn't attend the classes regularly, no, you will not come to know what is the CVC words. Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? ನಾನು CVC ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ನೀವು ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ CVC ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. CVC ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಟೆಂಟಿವ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್, when the school starts also you should not take the leaves. I mean the class ಗೆ ನೀವು absence ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನ್ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನೀವು 2 days 3 days ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಲೀವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ನೋ ದ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ you may not feeling well, otherwise your parents may not feeling well, or some other thing. Otherwise it's very important function in your house that you need to come, you need to attend. That time you can take a leave, but don't take a leave continuously, children. If you take a leave also, you have to get the homeworks updated from your friends. Okay, that's why I'm telling, please attend the classes regularly. Not only the schools and all, you have to attend this online recorded classes also. Every day you have to watch the class so that you come to know what ma'am has done. Without learning yesterday's, you can't link the subject of today's and tomorrow. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಲಿಂಕೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ, ನೀವು ABCD ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. You can't jump from alphabets to blending words. If you jump, you will not get anything. So So take a sequence of classes regularly. Okay? Yes? Yes. Shall we start our class? Yes. First today I will put a light on our EVS. What is the EVS? This is nothing but a general science or a science. It is a general science. It improves our general knowledge. We were talking about tools and machines or helpers and their tools. Okay, helpers and their tools. Okay, we will open your Tell Me More book. In that, the page number 24. Open the page number 24. What they are given there, children? They are given so many tool names. For example, knife. Where we will use the knife? Yes, in the kitchen or in the bakeries or in a hotels and all, we will use the knife. Who will use the knife? Yes, chef. Chef will use the knife to cut the vegetables for making the curry or for making any dishes. And also we will use the knife in the bakeries also, no, to cut the bun and biscuits or to cut the cakes and all we will use. Screws, nails, hammer, screwdriver. This and all who will use, children? Yes, the person who will work with this. Yes, he is nothing but a mason, correct? No, or a carpenter. Carpenter will use the screws, nails, hammers and all. While doing your new furniture, the carpenter will use all these things, correct? No, yes. Scissors and the plier. Scissors and pliers, cutting pliers, who will use? Yes, at home also we will use to cut something or to make stronger we will use a plier. Cutting plier ನಾವು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ನ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೀಸಾಸ್, ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್, nail cutter, this spade. This is not where we will use spade, we will use to the transfer of the sand or to clean up the sand pits. Okay, this nail cutter we will use to trim our nails. Drilling machine, so again they will be used by a carpenter to make a furniture at home. Okay, vacuum cleaner and sieving machine. This most probably we will use at a home. Why we will use a vacuum cleaner? To clean our house. Sieving machine. Yes, sieving machine we will use to stitch the clothes. Okay, iron machine we will use to iron our clothes. Every day we will telling you, know, very clean and iron clothes. How you will make your clothes ironed or pressed? Yeah, with the help of a iron box. Okay, computer, it is your basic need. Nowadays computer has become a part of your life because online classes if you want to watch, you most probably you will depend on the computer only, I mean system only. The washing machine is a machine which we use for what? To wash our dirty clothes we will use the washing machine. Tractor, the farmers will use the tractor to plow the fields. Then concrete cement mixer, this we can find while doing the roads by the BBMP persons. Yes, no, they will mix the water, the mixture of the stones, cement and water, and they will use it for constructing the roads and all. Bulldozers, they will use this machine to what? Fell down the big buildings. ನಿಮ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Otherwise to lift a heavy stones, rocks and all they will use the bulldozer. Crane, probably the crane we can find in the harbors. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರ ತೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ರೇನ್ ನ ತುಂಬಾ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಥವಾ while constructing a big MNCs or a big billionaire buildings and all, you can see a crane there. They will shift the iron rod from one place to another by using this crane. Okay, this is your what the uses of the tools. With that we will compare the helpers and their tools. We will compare it off. Okay, first thing is teacher. What the teacher will use? What is her tool? Yes, the chalk piece is our tool. Correct no? ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾರು ಬರೀತಾರೆ? ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟರ್ ಬರೀತಾರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಮಿತ್ ಬರೀತಾರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಟೀಚರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ವಾ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಟೀಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಟೂಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ chalk piece. Then fireman, yes, that is a fire exhauster. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಾರಿಸೋದು ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಫೈರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then the sweeper, what he will use? He will use the broom and all. The postman, what is the tool of the postman? Excuse me. Yes, the postman, always the postman, post office van. He will use the van and the printing. What they will print no like tappa anta ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Like this we will learn so many things. Barber, for the barber scissors are the main tools. Okay, these all are some example what I told to you in your helpers with their tools. Okay children, the homework is write 5 helpers and how they use their tools. Okay, and write 5 helpers and how they use their tools. How they will use their tool, that you have to write in your what? Which book? Yes, that playing sheet is there now, interleaf book, there you have to write. Okay children, I hope you understood. Shall we move to our next class, that is English. In the English we were learning blends. In that we were learning R blends. Correct Allah? In the R blends what and all we learned? BR. What are the families we learned? BR, CR, FR, PR. Then which? GR. So many we learned no? Yes, today we are going to learn a new thing in a R family, that is TR. Yes, can you tell me some words using this TR? Yes, I like some words. If you know, you can recreate with me. I mean, you can say with me. Okay? Trees, true, trip, train. Then what else? Open your Discover Phonic book or your which book? Yes, phonic activity book. There will be so many like that. Okay? Trap, trim. Trim, trim, they will tell no like that. Okay? Trail, so many words you can see. For I have taken few words for your example. What are those? Trees, true, trip, train, trap, trim, train. Trim, where we use the trim? Trim, trim, we will do know where that the bell rings from the cycle is a trim, trim. Okay? As usual, you know the meaning of the trees. Trees is nothing but a plans. Okay, true. Always you have to tell the truth. Trip. It's a vacation. The another name is trip. Train, you all know, it's one a modes of transport. Trap. Trap means make a plan to catch someone. That is called a trap. And train. Train is nothing but a long road between the trees. That is called a train. Means one flow. That is called a train. Okay. And do some sentences using the same thing. As usual, I'll take a words from what I have taken here. Okay. Always say truth. Okay. Always say truth. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಜಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿ. Always say the truth. Second part. The train was moving on the train was moving on the way track. On the train track. The train was moving on the train track. Okay. The third one is there was a long trail between trees. Okay, there was a long trail between the tree. That is called a. There was a long trail between the trees. Next, always say truth. The train was moving on the track. There was a long trail between the trees. Between the trees, there was a long trail. Okay, you also can try so many sentences at home because there is no school for you. You will have a lot of time. Yes, yes, no, yes. So please, you learn how to make the sentences, children. Okay. Yes. The homework is as usual. Discover phonic book. Page number 14. You read only the family of R. That is TR. Train, train, trap and the tree. Train, train, trap and the tree. Okay. This you read it loudly. Sorry. And write the words 4 times in 4 lines book. Okay. You have to write these 4 words 4 times in your 4 lines book. Okay. The next homework is open your phonic activity book, page number 47. Okay. In that you have to write the train, train, trap and tree. They are given the words there. You have to write it in the 4 lines. Please concentrate on how they are written. Red line to blue line they are written. That like that only you have to write. Otherwise it will become very odd, children. Maintain the sequence of handwriting what they are given. Okay. Next they are given 2 sentences. Read aloud and write the following sentences. Kim trips on the root of a tree. She tries to rub the pain away. She tries to rub the pain away. Okay, that you read it off, and you have to write one. You have to write 2 times and another one only 1 time. Okay, you finish off the page number 47 in your phonic activity book. Understood? Yes. We will move to our next class, that is maths. We were learning some concept in the maths. Yes, smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. Vice versa we were learning. In the bigger we were learning big, bigger, biggest. And the vice versa, in the smaller we were learning smaller, small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Like that from I'll show you the example, same thing what we did yesterday. Okay. We are going to learn a concept small, smaller, smallest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು, ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ small, smaller, smallest. I'll show you some example using the trees. Yesterday also we learned the same thing. Today also I am revising the same one. See the tree. This is a small tree. Yes, if you see individually, you think it is a big tree. But if in the comparison, we will take it as a small tree. The smallest should be the less than this. Correct? No? Can you see? Yes. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿದೆ. So we will tell that small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay? This is one example. If I draw a ball, okay, this is small, smaller, smallest. Yes, you are getting confusion in this, no? I'll try the same example for the bigger only, bigger also. Okay, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, I'll draw one ball here. Okay, this is big, bigger, biggest. Okay, if I take this example with ABC. Okay, this is A ball, B ball and C ball. If I take this example ABC, if I arrange the same ball in the sequence of a small, smaller, smallest, the C ball is there, no children? Last one, the C ball, it's a big ball, no? It will come first. Okay, C. Afterwards, the B ball, the small ball. Okay, it will come in the medium ball. It will be in the middle only. Okay, the ball A. Yes, the small ball, it will come in the sequence of a A. Yes, you understood now. Small, smaller, smallest. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 3 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಗ್, ಬಿಗರ್, ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬಾಲ್ ಒಂದು, ಪಿ ಬಾಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಬಾಲ್, ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಬಾಲ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ the sequence of smaller smallest and bigger biggest. The homework is for you, open your mathematics readiness book, page number 3. What they given? Small, smaller, smallest. Example, small, it is a big cat. Smaller ಅಂದ್ರೆ rat, smallest ಅಂದ್ರೆ ant. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ant ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಿಕ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್. ಟಿಕ್ ದ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸೈಜ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. and cross the picture that is smallest. Smallest ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಯಾವುದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಅಂತೀವಿ? Smallest ಅಂತೀವಿ. You just go through that. They are given 3 different kinds of the gift box. You have to take the picture that is smaller and cross the picture that is smallest. Okay. Next one, circle the picture that is smaller than the other. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಕ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅದೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಲೀಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಲೀಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಮೈ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬುಕ್. Page number 30. Newspaper pasting. Tear the newspaper into small pieces and paste them on the wings of the owl. Color the rest part with crayons. Okay. Owl ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? I will not give you hint anything. Tear the newspaper ಅಂದ್ರೆ small pieces ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದನ್ನ paste them on the wings. Wings ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ paste ಮಾಡಿ. owl ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು crayons ಇಂದ ಕಲರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೌತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ನೋಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೇ and complete all your notes, I mean homeworks, day to day basis. Take care, bye.